This is a used 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, trailer hitch, alloy rims, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature controls, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Kisselback Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1118 13th Street, St. Cloud, Florida 34769.